Get ready, because we're diving into 7 psychological maneuvers that will give you the upper hand in any argument. These aren't just any techniques. They're designed to disarm your opponents and leave them searching for words. And be warned, the last strategy is the most potent of them all. Trick 1, the power of rarity. Imagine you're like a rare vintage car. Everyone wants to take you for a spin. That's the essence of scarcity. But here's the twist, because you're not always on display. Don't just be a rare item collecting dust. Live a life full of passion and purpose. When you do connect with someone, make it unforgettable. Be present, engaged, and leave them wanting more. Take Michael, for example. He's passionate about pottery, attending classes only when his schedule allows. When he meets Sarah at a cafe, he mentions his pottery passion casually, hinting that he's got a life beyond this conversation. Sarah's intrigued. Michael isn't just available, he's interesting. Trick 2, the slow build. Remember that one friend who got you hooked on green smoothies by starting you off with a taste? That's the foot in the door technique. Start small, like a coffee date, and naturally progress to something more. This taps into our human need for consistency, making it easier to say yes as things escalate. David's interested in Ashley, but he's nervous about asking her out. So he plays it cool, invites her for a coffee first. They have a great time, and by the time he suggests dinner, it feels like the natural next step. No pressure, just a smooth progression. Trick 3, the mystery factor. Think of yourself as a suspenseful novel. You don't spill all the secrets in the first chapter. Share intriguing details about yourself, but keep a few pages unturned. This keeps curiosity alive and maintains the spark. Take Alex on his first date with Emily. He talks about his recent solo hike, but leaves out just enough details to make her want to hear more. It's like unwrapping a gift, layer by layer, with each layer being more exciting than the last. Trick 4, the balance of push and pull. Sometimes you've got to make your crush feel like they're the only one in the world. Give them your full attention. But then, you step back, focus on your goals, and let them miss you. This creates a healthy tension, keeping things exciting without making you seem needy. Ben notices that Chloe is getting a bit clingy, so he takes a step back. He spends time on his hobbies and with friends, which makes Chloe appreciate his independence and value their time together even more. Trick 5, the triangle of interest. Subtly let it slip that others find you interesting. It's like a cheat code for social proof, making you seem even more desirable, but keep it classy. This isn't about making someone jealous, but rather showing you're someone worth being with. For instance, during a casual chat, Liam mentions how his colleagues praised his recent work. He's not bragging, just acknowledging his achievements. This piques Maya's interest, making her want to know more about what makes Liam so successful. Trick 6, the art of focused attention. When you're with someone, make them feel like they're the only one in the room. Listen carefully, remember the little details, and show that you genuinely care. But don't lose yourself. Keep your own life vibrant and full. It's all about balance. At dinner, Jay listens intently to Sarah's stories, asking questions and recalling things she mentioned before. He's fully engaged, yet still maintains his own life outside the conversation, creating a strong, trusting connection. Trick 7, the subtle mirror. By subtly mirroring someone's body language or speech patterns, you can build an almost instant rapport. But remember, this isn't about copying, it's about creating a natural flow in your interaction. Jessica notices Daniel's hand gestures at a party and, without overdoing it, matches his style. She also adjusts her speaking rhythm to match his, creating a seamless connection between them.